Did you know that a single elderberry shrub can be your own backyard pharmacy, a secret ingredient for delicious recipes, and even a touch of ancient magic? That's right. This powerhouse plant has been used for centuries, and today I'm unlocking all its incredible secrets. From flowers to berries, teas to wines, and even a little history sprinkled in. Let's dive into the world of elderberry. First up, the elderflowers. These tiny, fragrant blossoms aren't just pretty. They're packed with flavor and wellness benefits. You can steep them into a soothing tea known for supporting immune health and relaxation. But wait, there's more. Ever tried elderflower cordial? This sweet floral syrup is perfect for cocktails, lemonades, or drizzling over desserts. And if you're feeling adventurous, elderflower wine is a delicately aromatic treat that has been enjoyed for centuries. Now, let's talk about these little gems, the elderberries. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, they're famous for boosting immunity. Elderberry syrup is a must-have during flu season, but these berries aren't just for wellness shots. Imagine a warm homemade elderberry pie or a deliciously tart elderberry jam spread over fresh baked bread. And yes, just like the flowers, elderberries make a fantastic wine. Just remember, never eat them raw. They need to be cooked to unlock their goodness. Surprisingly, even the leaves have been traditionally used, though with caution. Historically, elder leaves were turned into poultices for minor cuts and bruises. However, they contain compounds that can be toxic if not prepared correctly, so they're best left for external use or composting to give back to your garden. Speaking of which, want the biggest, juiciest berries? Elderberries love rich, well-drained soil and full sun, though they can tolerate partial shade. But the secret sauce? Fertilization. Organic compost or a balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer in early spring gives them the nutrients they need. And here's a pro tip. Mulching around the base keeps the moisture in and weeds out, so your plant can focus on growing those gorgeous blooms and berries. Elderberry isn't just famous in the kitchen, it has a legendary past. In European folklore, the elder tree was believed to be protected by a spirit called the Elder Mother. Cutting one down without her permission? Bad luck. Some even believed elder wood had magical properties, used in protective charms and wands. Yes, Harry Potter fans, you heard that right. And let's not forget the ancient Egyptians, who used elderberry for skincare, or Native American tribes, who valued it for medicine and dyes. So, whether you're sipping an elderflower tea, baking a tart elderberry pie, or simply admiring its beauty in your garden, this plant is a true gift from nature. Have you ever used elderberry in your kitchen or home remedies? Let me know in the comments. And if you love learning about incredible plants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you next time.